The Sierra Leone Agricultural Research Institute, in partnership with Agricultural Value Chain Development Projects, marked a significant milestone for the country's cocoa sector with a symbolic harvesting ceremony. The event took place at PENDEMBU CLONAL Garden, part of the Kenema Forestry and Tree Crop Research Center. In an interview with Bhonopha Gassimu, the climate-smart agricultural specialist at AVDP, explained that they have over 15 hectares of clonal seed garden.
We have established 15 hectares of clonal seed garden. We've got our materials from different countries, namely Nigeria, Ghana, and England, or Reading University. We have established the clones, and we have done the crossings of those clones with the original clones that we are established in the 60s, 70s. So after doing the pollination or the cross pollinations, these are the first breed. And we have to harvest this first breed, take it to the nurseries, the nursery we are going to establish in our community at the SLARI Research Center. After the nurseries, we take it to the permanent field for observations. Those are the trial plots. We have to establish series of trial plots in our community. And those are the time we have to do the observation right from the nurseries to the permanent field. And today, we are with the communication team, both from the two institutions, that is the AVDP, AYV, and the others. So we are doing the symbolic harvesting so that we'll take these materials to our nurseries and to the trial farms. It's a new breed this country is about to develop again.
The symbolic harvest held on the 13th of October 2025, it is a collaborative effort to revitalize and boost cocoa production in Sierra Leone. It showcased the successful application of research and improved agricultural practices being promoted by SLARI. Musa Lahai, the officer in charge at Kenema Forestry and Tree Crop Research Center, explained the importance of this activity.
I'm Musa Lahai, the focal person for the Agricultural Value Chain Development Project for SLARI. So the inception of the AVDP project dates back to the current trend in cocoa production in Sierra Leone. As of after the civil conflict, our cocoa productivity was between 0.3 to 0.4 tons per hectare. So, and that is low even by the African standards. So, in light of that, the government of Sierra Leone with IFAD, the International Fund for Agricultural Development, drafted a concept note for revitalization of the cocoa sector in the country. So, when the AVDP approached SLARI, we had to do our bits. We developed also a concept to actually identify most of the materials that have been introduced into the country in the 50s and 60s by the West African Cocoa Research Institute. And through the project, the AVDP project, we were able to identify the Wakri Series 1 and Series 2 materials, which formed part of my PhD. And thereafter, later on, we collected scions, that's vegetative materials from the United Kingdom and Reading University Quality Center, Kew Garden. And then we also got some materials from the Cocoa Research Institute of Nigeria. So we blended most of these materials in our garden, and then when they got to maturity, we harvested flowers in order for us to crossbreed those materials with our already existing materials in the country. So as we are seeing around, we have here, we're able to cross materials like C65, C67 and 77, C75 and 25, Trinitario, and then the rest of it. So we did that with the help of our technical team in SLARI, and then of course with the help of the management of SLARI, we were able to sail through. So this is the outcome of our hybridization. Hybridization means crossing one clone with the other. So this one we are seeing here is C74 being crossed with C20. So with this, we will have an estimated yield of 0.8 to 0.9 tons per hectare, as opposed to 0.3 to 0.4. So that's like doubling the yield of the material. So most of these materials are going to be given out to AVDP farmers in the form of satellite stations. So those materials will be monitored, and then at the end of the day, we are going to get yield and yield parameter data to see if it will be due to be dispersed out to other farmers in the form of large scale. So in a nutshell, we have developed 4 different hybrids of cocoa materials in the country, and they are out. They are going to be out very soon for testing in the form of multi-location trials. Earlier this year, of course, we did testing at 4 different locations in Kenema, KAILAHUN, and then Kujon district.
The Kenema Forestry and Seed Crop Research Center serve as a crucial hub for developing reliant and high-yielding cocoa varieties suitable for the local climates. Reporting for this activity, I am Augustine Ezekiel Kelly, an intern student at SLARI Communication and Knowledge Management Unit.